What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. Got another how-to video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your headlights if you got like that yellow, foggy, oxidized look over your lenses. We're going to show you how to get them back to clear and shiny today. We're bringing back our custom company that we started a while back. Me and a buddy I work with started a VC Customs. That stands for Velcro Customs. I'm Vale. We got Crow over here. Got Crow over here getting them taped up. Yeah, guys, as you can see, I showed you in the Oxito video the other day. These are just kind of oxidized and yellow, so we're going to show you how to clean them up. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is just tape around the paint and the headlight lens. That way whenever you're sanding on this, you don't obviously mess up your paint. So to get you some painter's tape and tape all around the headlight. We got tool holder back in action, and we got Crow, as I just mentioned. Got two dummies for the price of one. You know what I'm saying? Free 99. Can't beat free Rayber. Alright guys, so first things first, we got a little squirt bottle and clean the headlights first. And now we got a little sprayer in a bottle. As you can see, spraying the light. We got some 600 grit we're going to start with. Then you just take your time. Work around the whole lens, back and forth. Alright guys, so just got done hitting it with 600. Cleaned it off. Spraying it down again. And now we have a drill with a little 800 grit disc on it. So take it nice and easy. Again, around the whole lens. And then we'll clean it off and probably step it up to 12 or 1500. Alright guys, so in between steps to check your progress, and whenever Crow sprays you in the back of the head with the spray bottle, you can just wipe off the residue to check your progress, see if you need to do another step with a more aggressive grit. But it's coming along. As you can see, it's already a drastic improvement over what we had. But yeah, just make sure also on this you're using plenty of water whenever you're wet sanding, otherwise you're going to have a bad time. Alright guys, so now we're stepping it up to the 1500 grit. And also guys, whenever you're doing this, just make sure you're doing it at like a lower speed. You don't have to have the drill on, full chooch. Nice and easy, even. You can check your progress. Like I said, you can see some spots will be hazier than others, in between passes. So just hit those again. But take your time. It is pretty time consuming, but the results are worth it, and it beats buying a new set of lenses. Alright guys, so this is what the headlight looks like after hitting it with 600 to 800 to 1500. So as you can see, already a very, very big improvement compared to what it was. So, and we'll show you the finished product, obviously, once we get one of them fully done. But as you can see, already a big, big difference just with the wet sanding. Alright guys, so final step before you polish is 3000 grit. So 3000, you can do a little higher speed. So it's so fine, it's not going to hurt nothing. This is just to kind of clean up all the sand marks. So yeah, just remember that 600 first, 800 next, 1500 after that, and then finally you hit it with the 3000. And then we'll hit it with some Meguiars PlastX polish. And it'll be looking good. Alright guys, so once you finish up with the 3000 grit, we're using Meguiars PlastX to polish. So you got your nice little foam pad on your drill steel. You just blot it on. and work it in, just like anything else. Isn't that right, tool holder?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so just finished up the polish, and you can see it's completely night and day difference. I mean, just unbelievable what a couple minutes will do. Couple minutes. Be quiet, tool holder. Alright guys, so I'm not going to show you the step-by-step on this side. Obviously just repeat the steps you did on the first side, on the second side, and you will have same results. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching. That's going to do it for another video here on Torque Spec Garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this or not. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.